Second appeal stands allowed. With the aforesaid direction, the writ petition stands allowed.
Allowed.
But you will get tomorrow only. There are some fine. Petition appellant is acquitted, giving benefit of doubt. Not now. All fine tune will be done tomorrow. Now next is regarding mention. Mention so far relating to bail, AB or regular bail pertaining to this bench. No other mention regarding criminal petition or something which is you have to do before the respective the senior bench who is taking the criminal. And thirdly, no mention for vacation. There is a procedure, notification is issued, you will have to follow that. If even that they will verify, and if these conditions are not fulfilled, mention memos are rejected. All bails pertaining to more than 7 years, AB and BA allowed.
With respect to item number 4, I am appealing for the respondent.
Item 4.
Yes, but it taken up some time because my report is coming. There are
Okay, no.
I beg to mention the mentioning of the IA, my lord. This is regarding the correction of the lordship order. This is regarding the HDFC Bank matter. Why there was a
I allowed yesterday.
even we have filed the mention, but it has not been listed. Maybe listed today. Correction.
Yes. You verify there are some other matters
Yes,
also
today
today.
also is item 11, my lord.
Similar prayer, yesterday I have mentioned. Accordingly, the IA has been registered for correction of your lordship order. That has not been registered, lordship.
I am not perfect at all. So
Lordship,
many corrections.
my lord,
Allowed, those are allowed. If you can bring on a third thing, all unlisted or whatsoever, that should come before I rise.
Lordship.
If once I rise, I will not come back.
Pilot similar prayer order is passed on 1710. Yesterday it was uploaded in the website. There are some corrections in the order. Is that really forest matter?
Okay.
Please,
Bring it.
please, Lord. Item number 20, Lord, you can get after vacation.
Yes.
Immediate after item 20. Immediate after vacation.
Yes. Anything? Any PP? Yes. Item 20.
It is fixed with L here.
Okay. After.
Published.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes.
My lord, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 42, my lord. Kindly pass over for the day, my lord.
Adjourn.
42. Most obliged.
Please, Lord. Item number 35, my lord. Kindly after vacation, my lord.
Yes.
Is also there.
Any interim?
No interim.
Vacation after.
Maybe the Lord. I will to mention item number 22, my
Mm.
my lord. The third sheet has been submitted. 22.
Third sheet submitted. BA is for the. It says trial code will use the word trial code.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention is item 12. RP Sharma sir will arguing with this matter, kindly taken up immediately after vacation. Right now, he is not out of station. He is out of station.
Yes. Better.
Criminal petition.
After vacation.
May I please proceed?
Why you want to withdraw?
Petitioner wants to withdraw.
To file an affidavit. Why he wants to withdraw? so that we can draw a proceeding against him for perjury.
You want to file before trial court.
You want to file before trial court or he has already been granted by trial court?
No. Online.
Sorry, my lord, on that I couldn't appear. It is by order, but
To the satisfaction of
my lord, to the satisfaction of SDGM, my lord.
SDGM what? Kamru, Metro,
SDGM, my lord, North Salmara, Ovaipuri.
Huh?
Ovaipuri.
SDGM Ovaipuri. Don't come there after the
No, I
unit
have seen-
correction.
Yes, I have seen it. North Salmara, Ovaipuri.
Not Salman. SDGM, not Salman.
Ovaipuri.
Detention, period of detention.
Kindly matter, please answer.
When?
What's the 10th of November?
Don't take so much of time taking a date. This is an application under section 438 CRPC, wherein the petitioner, and in connection with PRC case number 2849 of 49/2022 under section 493/376 IPC, arising out of Chipajar PS case number 147/2022, full stop. Registry to call for the scans copies and case diary in respect of the police station case as detailed here in above, full stop. Till no petitioner.
Lord.
Till such scan diaries are received, the petitioner, in the event of arrest of the petitioner, it will be released on bail of. Yes.
Item 52, Your Lordship, I am referring in this case, Your Lord.
Next case,
Herein-
next case. Item, which item?
Item 52, Your Lord. Item 52.
That is gone.
The,
That is
here, Your Lordship, the alleged victim girl, he is the wife of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
We do not know.
It
Not
is-
now, not now. Next case, after some time. 50. You cannot come and do cases
I'm
like
extremely
this.
sorry, Your Lord.
I'm telling all the
I'm extremely-
lawyers that don't come in between.
Extremely-
You have any make to mention to me after the list is over. Yes,
Yep.
next.
What?
Wait, please, Your Lord. This is a transfer petition for transfer of a criminal complaint case from Debrugad to Tinsukia. The criminal case has been filed by the wife of the petitioner number 1.
Third, Swenchu.
H.
You are Mr.
Chakravarti.
H. Chakravarti, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under Swenchu. Issue notice returnable 6 weeks, steps both ways. Full stop. Considering the age and ailment of the petitioner number 2, it is provided that for the time being, his appearance may be dispensed with. No stay. Yes.
Report was called for, my lord.
Yes, report.
But the report not received, Lord.
This is second day.
And it-
C10 and it is 1310. Where is the order, Mr. Datta?
page 24, my lord. Annexure 5.
What is the offense?
Offense is
That accident.
that accident and the car is mine, my lord. I'm the brother of Anipur Rahman.
Okay. Jimma allowed.
I'm deeply obliged.
Dispose of.
May it please, Your Lordship. This is a Jimma petition, Lordship. A report was called for, Lordship. Your Lordship, a rejection order will be found on page 28, Lord.
This we have to wait. Who is the owner? That is the question.
Owner is Lordship Louis Ali. Lordship, I have annexed the page 20 is the
Who applied for the GMA?
Lordship, this owner Lordship. Owner Lordship, page 20 Lordship, registration certificate law.
Why don't you bring the report? This is pending from, and we have given specific details. 10.
And page 21 Lordship, it's already reflect Lordship.
What is the offense?
Offense Lordship not against this petitioner because the some Lordship.
I have asked you a
Try to
question. I
locate-
suppose that you understand English.
Yes, Lordship.
So I have asked you what is the offense?
Lordship, ATM Lordship, somebody has tried to Lordship ATM
Yes.
robbery Lordship.
Mm.
That was the allegation. Lordship.
Mm.
This petitioner Lordship is the owner. He is not aware of that because his vehicle is running under overrule. Lordship. Now Lordship, the passenger had the vehicle Lordship, and so Lordship, this
Where is the your certificate?
page Lordship 20 Lordship, and tourist license Lordship that is on page 21 Lordship.
Yes.
Page 21 Lordship.
Data condition you verify the ownership. Okay, number. Verification of the owner. After proper verification of the documents of ownership, release. Dispose of.
Highly obliged.
May I please? We have this case, Lordship, initially Lordship and the accused person was arrested and subsequently.
You appear we are protecting for the time being.
Lordship.
Not will not setting aside, but
Lordship.
you will appear. NVWA. Which paragraph you have explained?
I have made in the Lordship. There, Lordship, and I'm very clearly mentioning.
Where is your explanation?
Lordship, Para number
List
five,
of the vacation.
five, Lordship. Para number 5, Lordship.
Paragraph number 5.
Five.
Huh? Enough of the
5 and 6, very
5 and
clearly
6.
mentioned.
dispose of.
Obliged, Lordship. For the document and other parts by the family court.
Only notice
But
and continue to pay.
28,000. I am a driver of the army, my lord.
What is your salary?
Salary, my lord, it is not proved, my lord, but it is
Forget about, tell us your salary.
about 70,000, my lord.
Then
But this 28,000 and 50%, then my lord, more than my lord, 40,000 monthly. And it is time of estimate of
I am very bad in this 125.
my lord, kindly page 32, my lord.
I have seen everything.
Notice has not served, my lord.
I have seen
I know-
everything. We'll examine that. We may remand it back for determination, but you will have to continue to pay. That cannot be a ground not to pay.
Interim, my lord, 10,000, my lord, I have to pay, my lord, at this stage, my lord.
No stay.
But it is very difficult, my lord, more than 40,000 per month, my lord.
You have-
28,000 and area and 50%, my lord, then my lord, another 14,000.
Then how much will you pay?
10,000, my lord.
What is the award?
Award, my lord, 28,000 per month, my lord.
Including the area.
No, my lord. And another 50% for area, my lord.
So
50%.
pay, continue to pay 28,000. We are staying the area. Pay 30,000. We are staying. Remaining, we are for the time being we are staying.
My
Subject to
lord,
continuous
20,000, my lord, but
28.
it is very difficult, my lord.
If very difficult, go inside and lose your job.
Without serving the notice, the expert judgment was passed, my lord.
That we admit.
My lord.
We'll remand it back after she comes. But admittedly, your salary is 70,000.
But I have to, my lord, look after my parents, my
At
lord.
least after vacation on the prayer of the learned.
Obliged.
Sentence is 6 months, Lordship.
Notice. Why you file the extra
Lordship for bail, Lordship.
decision revision? No separate application is required. Is there any prayer in the revision petition?
Yes, revision
Huh?
petition there is also.
Stay. Considering the nature of material available on record, as well as the period of sentence till return of notice state.
Obliged.
IA in view of order passed in criminal revision petition Please, IS stands closed.
So the petition is referred to modification of the order passed by the JFC Lordship, wherein bank guarantee has been imposed for giving Himma Lordship.
Bank guarantee.
Yes, Lordship. I have annexed the order of your Lordship.
My order?
Yes,
Where
Lordship.
is that?
Page 28. Lordship.
Similar order. Just tell us,
The value is 47 lakh. Lordship.
Huh?
The value is about 47 lakh, 46 lakh something, Lordship. As per
kindly
the
give us the number of the vehicle.
number of the vehicle is AS01NC.
Right now. AS01.
NC 89.
It is police station number.
This is Shonapur PS case, Lordship. 154 of 2023.
Now, which is the order? Order dated
Order dated 14/8, Lordship.
14.
14/8, page 18, Lordship. 14/8.
Just write down. Order dated 14/8.
14/8, 2023.
2023. Passed by
Passed by this AFC.
JMFC. Kamrup Metro in connection with
In connection with Shonapur PS case number
154/2023.
154 of 23.
and registration number.
The vehicle registration number, Lordship, A01NC 8976.
And what was the bank guarantee granted?
Bank guarantee, Lordship, equal to the value of the
What is
vehicle.
the value? Who will determine the value?
Lordship, the value is as per insurance, Lordship, 47 lakh, around 47.
47 lakhs. 47 lakhs. What is the vehicle?
Truck, Lordship, 16-wheeler truck.
16-wheeler truck.
Obliged.
Yes. None appears for the petitioner and call list after.
Regarding
Yes,
issue
Goswami.
of
Scan copies of the CD and the PRC case. Huh? When? Give a date. Immediately after vacation.
immediately after vacation.
C. Goswami. Scan copies along with the.
R. Goswami.
I'm extremely.
Yes, madam.
R. Goswami. Scan copies of the PRC case along with the case diary of.
My lord, this is Mukalmua PS case number 237/2022. 22.
2020.
Yes. Obliged.
Give a date. Scan copies.
After
9/11.
2022. PS case number.
2020.
Obliged.
9/11.
9/11. But the stay order
Now you will consider.
after. Obliged.
That might not.
Don't lead us to commit mistake. Give the details.
But this is the not mistake, but this is the motion. Other two matters might have already it is mentioned, it is not done.
No, understand. Therefore,
Yes,
to give a
that's
relief in motion, also give the detailed particular.
that's
You are relying on a similar order.
no, not in that matter. Only one that part matter, page 80 or kind of matter. Only two lines. That the petitioner, he is the area said here is a branch manager. That petition matter.
Here is a
Page 80 your lordship.
80. Here he is a branch manager.
Branch manager joined in 2019. But that much, but the rest will same.
What will that? Here the name of the petitioner is
Here the
Ripun Sharma.
Ritupam Sharma.
Kindly come to page 80. Huh? He will be Ritupon.
Submit that the petitioner has joined as area manager, area sale manager in 2019, my lord. But that much. And thereafter,
Just a minute. The petitioner has joined as
area sale manager,
page 80. Huh? Musumi.
paragraph 6.
Page page 80, paragraph 6. Instead of branch manager,
And
in
they do
area manager.
area
Instead of
sale-
branch manager, area sales
Sales
manager. And when he joined Dibrugarh in the month of
2019, madam.
no month.
He is serving here in Guwahati.
Come on.
Now,
Dibrugarh branch in the month of January. Dibrugarh branch, delete the Dibrugarh branch.
in 2019, when the month I was,
And was posted at Guwahati. The star mark, huh? Posted at Guwahati since January, since 2019. And the loan was sanctioned
law,
on 10 to 2022.
that will
By-
not, that
not
that will not go. Only that part, one,
Okay.
the rest same.
Receipt. Similar order. Paragraph 6, sir. Branch, instead of branch manager, it will be area manager, and delete Dibrugarh branch.
Yeah.
You give
Date
it
of
at Guwahati branch.
Guwahati Rukmini.
Guwahati Rukmini branch, right down branch. That much on.
Apply, madam. I told them not to commit my.
That creates another problem. Now there is a mention.
Yeah, but the other 2 matters also today listed. Obliged to know.
No, no dispute. Mr. No dispute. We have notice and stay. This is notice and yes,
May I please, your lord?
yes.
Here we are challenging the FIR, my lord. For posting of the FIR petition has been filed,
Take-
my lord.
Two options. Either a detailed dismissal order or an adjournment after vacation.
For a moment, if my lord gives me,
Just I have given you the indication. You are good at. Two options, either dismissal, dictating right now in the court, relying on Niharika and other judgment. Investigation will not stop. This is the decision. Or an adjournment for after vacation.
my lord, only
Okay. proceed.
then let it come after vacation.
List after vacation.
It is the petition for quashing of FIR and proceeding, lordship.
Notice and scan copy. Of the PRC case number.
Nine
938/2020.
938/2020. Pending before.
Pending before lordship, DMFC number 5, Kamrup Metro
Along with the case diary of
of lordship. Polton Bazar PS case number 1346/2019.
SDGM, what you have said,
Judicial Magistrate First Class number 5, Kamrup Metro.
and PS case.
Polton Bazar PS case number 1346/2019.
Registered to call for it. Is an application. Thank you about. List, give a date.
In the meantime, but
We'll see. In the meantime, what do you want? Where is the affair?
FIR is lordship page number 11, lordship. So one mobile phone was stolen. It was recovered, lordship.
What is the next date?
The next date is lordship in the coming month.
Coming month, which date? Tell us.
Lordship, I'll
Okay, interim will shall be considered. Notice, no, like interim shall be considered after receipt of the second copies. Prayer of interim relief shall be considered.
The application has been filed for quashing of the criminal proceeding.
Mm.
I am the in-laws of the respondent, lordship. There are no specific allegation against the in-laws. And after marriage, on the very next day, lordship, the respondent and the petitioner's son came to Guwahati. Your lordship, only on 1 or 2 occasions they have visited Tinsukia, lordship. And the case
Kindly
is-
come to page 18.
Yes.
Specific date on 6/6/2021. The complainant was brought to Tinsukia by the accused husband after acute torture by him. Husband is not before us.
Yes.
In this process, his mother, father, elder brother's wife, that is the accused persons, demanded dowry of 5 lakh rupees. Notice. Or if you want to go further, then I can quote other. Now come to page 22. Initial deposition.
Yes.
My brother and sister were called by me, by my in-laws to the accused, demand to pay remaining amount of 5 lakh. Why should it pass?
Only
You
on
can
one,
dismiss it
these are all-
right now.
These are all false
Now
allegations.
come to page 25. All the accused have again demanded 5 lakhs from the complainant, that is the brother, which could not be paid, for which accused Kaushik Agarwal, the accused number 4, left her at her paternal home. Wanted dismissal, will say that this cannot be said to be an omnibus statement. This is a specific statement. So 498, 406 is made out, dismissed.
In this case, notice to read.
Notice returnable after 6 weeks. Steps by both ways. It's made clear that this court has not passed any interim order.
Like,
Lordship, my senior is just coming, kindly pass for the
Who is your senior?
Mr. PK sir.
Jimma?
PK Sharma.
No, PK Sharma, no. Is it a case for Jimma? That vehicle? Seltos, this vehicle is nowhere related.
Not.
This was seized a truck full of liquor with some other material. This is a private vehicle of the owner of those liquor. Now, what is the connection between these two? This court, then Jimma judgment. This court has also considered that there is no allegation regarding involvement of the present vehicle in the commission of offense, in as much as this is a private vehicle of the owner of the country, owner of the liquor, which has been seized from a truck. Considering the above and the settled proposition of law as discussed here in above, the conditions dispose of. Tell your senior Sharma that Jimma is granted. Yes.
My your lordship. My lord, 482 quashing petition, my lord, quashing the order dated 13/7/2002. I recall the NBW order.
Hard. You are Mr.
NC Das.
NC Das, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner. This is an application under section 20 of 20. Full stop. The order dated 25/9/2019.
13/7.
Where is it?
The 26 page number. NBW order was it. The matter was settled between the parties because of some
No,
difficulties.
tell us.
Yes.
You want recall of NBWL. You have no problem condoning the delay in the way delay has been condoned.
No,
You have no difficulty.
no.
We are thinking of staying the entire proceeding.
No, I'm not asking the entire procedure. I'm just saying that recall the order. I may be allowed to appear before the
So
court.
you have no problem
No problem.
condoning the delay under 138 without giving any reason. Okay, hard, Mr. Spencer. NBW, recall the NBW, you will appear.
Matter was already settled. That is what. Much of.
NBW. Where have you explained?
Paragraph 7.
Paragraph 7.
my lord, same page, my lord, page 13.
Where have you
The reason,
Explain.
the reason.
reason explain where?
Yes. Uh, Yes, para 7. What
Para
a
7.
coincidence.
That what the reason you have not been able to
Yes, yes, miscommunication.
that is space 7.
Para 7.
Para 7.
I'm deeply.
Dispose of.
This is for question of the second FIR. Two FIRs are lodged. One by the
Second FIR will be treated as 161 statement.
Yep.
Where is a need of quashing? They will do that.
perhaps notice me.
Yes, sir. Up to instruction. If the same incident, 2 FIRs are filed by 2 persons.
One by the wife, one by the mother.
Murder. So this will be treated as 161 statement. You have up to instruction. Hard. Where is the first FIR?
Page 11, ma'am.
Page 11.
Yes. First.
Page 11, charge sheet has been filed.
No, ma'am.
No, not filed.
No,
That is going on.
both, my lord. First one was 2nd of October, second on 7 of October. Page 11 is first one.
And you have challenged which FIR?
Second one, page 25. ma'am.
Page 25.
This is lodged by mother.
Okay. The present application is filed. SLE and FIR dated 7/10/2023 filed by one Prabhavati Das. Respondent number?
2, ma'am.
Respondent number 2. Respondent number 2, which was registered under section 392/34 IPC. On the similar facts, another FIR was lodged by the wife of the one Prabhavati Das, mother of the victim. This is victim. This is victim, which was registered as Tinsukia PS case number 588 dated 7/10/2023 under section 392/34 IPC. Full stop. On the similar factual background and alleging and making similar allegations, the wife of the deceased also filed an FIR before the same police station, which was registered as Tinsukia PS case number 573/2023 under section 385/306/34 IPC. Full stop. Considering peruse both the FIRs, considering the nature of allegation, it is provided that the it is provided that the further investigation in the case of in Tinsukia PS case number 588 dated 7/10/2023 shall remain suspended. However, it is made clear that this court has not interfered with the investigation of the Tinsukia PS case number 573/2023. Full stop. Inasmuch as two FIRs in the considered opinion of this court on same set of facts cannot proceed. Notice returnable.
Obliged.
Yes,
It was called for lordship. The allegation was.
that we know that that's why it is in being hearing.
Yes,
Tell us where is the FIR?
lordship, FIR lordship is
9.
yes, lordship. 8 from 8 start lordship is 9 is relevant for lordship. The vehicle lordship, the informant lordship here, it is said that it was going to Blackheart lordship with some bags of pan masala and for the lordship. It was loaded by someone lordship.
Who are you?
But I'm 2 person lordship. I'm Three persons arrested, Lordship. I'm one Khalilur Rahman, Khaliluddin, and one Lordship Sajuddin. Three persons arrested, Lordship. That time
Recovered from whom?
I don't know, Lordship. Nothing was recorded from us. And we are not to the FIR name, Lordship.
How you are related?
Lordship, we Lordship, the two
What is the
petitioners.
statement of the driver?
My lord, actually, my lord, these two persons, and there are five of them, my lord. They made a conspiracy they know that the truck is loaded with, my lord, pan masala. So they confronted it.
It's somehow near Golaghat.
Yes, my lord. It's
Huh?
somewhere near Gulaghat, and
Huh.
everyone, these persons are also involved, my lord. And today is, my lord, 40 days, my lord, some more investigation is required, my lord. So at this stage, my lord, because it's a case,
Okay.
my lord.
Lordship, how they can say, Lordship, I were involved, Lordship. That's
It's a state. There, some are arrested, my lord. They have given their,
there is
they have given their names, my lord.
Recovered.
My
Recovered.
lord, yes, my lord.
What is the statutory period?
Statutory period is 90 days, my lord. It's
Take-
395. Yes,
Take-
sir. Yes, sir.
You get an updated CD.
Yes,
You
my lord.
give for some
Yes,
other.
because-
not really.
Because as per the, my lord, objection also, my lord, that they were in a crucial stage, my lord. So some in the
Peruse the case diary produced. This court is of the view that the detention of the petitioner may be required for interrogation at this stage of the investigation. In that view of the matter, the present petition stands adjourned and be listed 40 days. Then give immediately on reopening.
my lord, there will be some difficulty because
Okay.
court will also be not because
Okay.
it will-
Give a
because
date.
you
Give a
have to
date
give the CD, my lord.
so that we can
yes, my lord,
release them on next day.
my lord,
Huh?
my lord, at least 14, my lord.
14. 14/11/2023. In the meantime, the learned public prosecutor shall return the CD and produce an updated CD on the next.
follow that.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
439 application, my lord. 23, my lord.
22 days.
Huh?
CD
As on date,
arrived,
not
my lord.
22 days in. custody.
Injury report.
CD has not come, my lord. 23, my lord. The cross FIR is also there, my lord.
That we understand. Both we call for both the CDs.
Yes, my lord.
Call for the both the CDs. No, we'll call for. No.
53, no?
You took an adjournment yesterday or what?
No, my lord. Anticipated bail matter was listed yesterday.
PS case number 503/2023 and Mukalma 504/2023.
Details will item BP 23 are going to
23 and
55 of supplementary issue.
and
55.
55 of supply.
It's not here, my lord.
Allegations are serious,
Yes, my lord.
very serious.
Very serious.
But there are fights between two groups.
My lord, yes. We also received serious injury. My lord. I have also annexed the the medical prescription whereby the nephew of the petition number 1 was referred to GMC. If you are not
What about them? Have they filed any?
no, my lord. So far, I have instruction, my lord. There is no injury,
What
Yeah.
is page 46?
my lord.
What is page 46?
It's 43.
Page 46 in the in AB.
In a beam, lord.
Hmm.
Just check. Lord, because there are some ongoing disputes between the informant as well as the petitioners.
Okay.
Because, my lord, on earlier
No,
occasion,
what is the relevance of this? Who is this sponsored proceed
my lord,
and who filed this petition? You must say us.
this petition was filed by the maternal uncle of the present informant in Mukalma PS case not filed.
That we
And-
understand.
Yes.
What is who is why Panchayat Sachiv is connected? How he is connected here?
Because, my lord, actually, I want to project that there are enmity between the parties since earlier. This is
Oh,
the only intention, my lord,
this,
for which I,
this Panchayat Sachiv belongs to which group?
my lord, to the informant side, my lord. But so far as the Panchayat secretary is concerned, he is not related to any group. But that, my lord, they submitted
Then
one.
what is the relevance of this?
Because
If Panchayat Secretary is not related,
my
huh,
lord, this is the letter written by the maternal uncle of the present informant, my lord, to the Panchayat secretary
against whom?
against the present petitioner and some other, my
Who
lord,
are they?
petition number 9, my lord, in AV, my lord, against him, he was there are some allegation in that particular letter. Petition number 8 and 9. Therefore, I,
These are unnecessary documents you have annexed.
I am sorry doing that. But that there were several cases, my lord, in between the party. Therefore, I so that, my lord, that we also received injuries, my lord, and that the informant side initiated the quarrel, my lord. There is for which, my lord, the case is also registered against them, my lord. So considering the detention period, my lord, at least so far as the 439 matter, attempt 23, these two petitioners are behind the bar since last 22 days.
What is the attempt? 3067.
307. But so far I have instruction, my lord, there is no injury as it is
In
alleged.
AB, you are already on interim.
No, my lord, only 2 petitioners are on interim.
So,
Of
will
course, my
not,
lord, that AB may, CD may be called for, but so far as the,
not CDMB, CD has already been called for.
yes, my lord.
Let me hear it, Lika. 166630. The case that he called for is not received. Accordingly, list this matter on.
My lord, AB, my lord. Sorry,
Not BA, BA.
BA, my lord, immediately after vacation, I'll try my
How many days you are inside?
My lord,
22
days.
days.
But so far I have instruction, my lord, there is no injury. That is the from specific instruction from the
Problem is that the instruction on the basis of your instruction.
of course
we
that
cannot
that cannot be relied upon, my lord. But this is instruction,
no, we will not disbelieving you,
of course.
but say allegations are serious.
No.
If many people are injured, hospitalized, all these
May I-
allegations are
Of
there.
course, my lord, may I pray that in the
And
vacation, my lord,
22 2 days for 307, it's a little bit early in
Of
my
course.
standard.
I also admit.
And your ill luck is that there is vacation. Can you have in a vacation bench?
Normally not fixed, my lord, but since it is BA,
Okay,
Oh,
BA on 2nd of November.
I still
Okay.
apply.
Both. Along with AB 3443.
Wait.
In AB Likiba, there is an AB na? City not received, interim order path violation.
I'm obliged.
Like this, the case day was called for, my lord.
case day received, my lord.
Here, page 10 is the FIR, my lord. Occurrence took place, my lord, on 30/10/2018. He was missing.
Okay.
After 11 days FIR,
Okay.
possibly on suspicion.
Do you need his interrogation? Judicial interrogation?
50
They
days,
tell
my-
us that don't go to the merit if he has done also.
Yes, my
It is
lord.
already 30th of August,
50 days.
50 days.
50 days, my lord. His allegation, my lord, so far his, my lord, is concerned, my lord. The
Since
one of the
it's
co-accused, my
BA,
lord,
that's
yes,
right.
yes.
AB is a different
One
thing.
of the
BA,
co-accused
you
is,
have arrested, postmortem report is
yes, they have drawn.
done,
Johnny.
then statements are recorded.
Right.
Now,
Later,
is
lordship,
any requirement of keeping and spending money on him by the state?
No.
Considering the stage of investigation as well as the period of detention. To the satisfaction of
Learned citizen to be, my lord.
Rupi.
Much of that.
My pleasure, Lord. Also, the allegation is under section 302, but the case is not in fact 302.
25
The case of rash and negligent driving. Lordship will find the FIR at page 12. Vernacular.
That cattle thief.
No, my lord.
What is this?
Lordship, the one victim along with the accused was traveling, they were riding in a bike, Lordship, and subsequently he failed to control the speed. He fell down from the bike.
But
And he
there is
sustained-
allegation that you intentionally,
Lordship, that is the allegation, Lordship. That
you
is the
did
difficulty.
because you are having some affair with some other.
No, my lord.
It's
That is,
like something like that.
that is the manipulated
Huh?
story, my lord.
Yes, I says so, my lord. Yeah.
That is the
So, but
This
manipulated
is also
my lord.
38. To the satisfaction of
Kamrup Metro, Lord.
Kamrup Metro CGM. Huh?
Yeah.
Only considering the period of detention and stage of investigation. Huh? Without commenting on merit.
Obliged, Lord.
PD not available, madam. It up to 76.
When?
BA, my lord, let it be, my lord. Immediately on 7, my lord.
7-11.
7.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, that case.
CD is there.
The CD is not there, madam.
Your lordship, today is the 6th day before yesterday, your lordship told that if CD is not received today, your lordship will grant it.
Not
That-
grand. We will consider.
Oh, yes, sir. Your lordship,
Okay, where is the affair?
for your lordship at page number 12, your lordship. That your lordship consumed poison.
Just a minute. So many 70 cases, 70 offenses. Where our brains are not that sharp. That we will remember everything. Where is the affair? Tell us.
Page number 12, your lordship.
12 is not the affair.
There are 2 FIR, your lordship.
What is your age?
Your lordship 23.
Okay, where is the girl?
She's with her parents.
Goswami,
Lordship.
these are emotional things.
Only
Case-
the statement that the guard
yes,
is recovered, as per
Okay.
he.
Okay, consider. Can you have an instruction?
Yes, madam. That better, madam.
Telephonic?
Yes.
You have an instruction.
Yes.
If girl is recovered, we'll protect, give him interim. He will go and record his statement.
Yes.
His, what is your age? 22.
23.
What is her age? She will be around 18, below 18. These are emotional things. Just have a telephonic instruction. Yes, Sohan.
On my lord, Monday, lordship. I given my lord then the 4th chance, my lord, to take my lord.
But
My
you are
lord,
specifically named.
my lord, name, but my
It
lord.
is
sir, this
370,
should be regarding my lord.
307.
307, my lord, my humble submission is not there, my lord. 326 is also not there, my lord. The dispute regarding paternal property, my lord, among 4 brothers, my lord. My lord, you lordship, my lord, protect my lord and call for the CD with the injury report, my lord. If my lord 307 is there, my lord, certainly I will not, my lord, produce the petition.
Assamese Mujumdar or Bengali Mujumdar?
Bengali Majumdar.
Bengali Mujumdar. Yes, Goswami.
My lord,
Pujo.
yes, unfortunately, my lord, not
4th
received, my lord,
occasion, my
because
Fourth
the
occasion.
finding.
Heard. Mr. Chauhan, learned counsel for the petitioner. The case diary was called for on 8/9/2023. However, two matter were thereafter listed on 19/9/23 and 16/10/23. The CD call for has not been produced. Today also, when the matter is called, the learned additional public prosecutor submits that CD has not been received. Full stop. Considering the matter in entirety, including the nature of allegation level against the nature of involvement of the petitioner and the fact that all the petitioners and informants are brother, and it is stated that it was a land dispute, as an interim, it is provided that so you appear within 10 days.
My
And if something serious things are there, we will reject it.
certainly, my lord.
Case diary invariably produced on the next date fixed. List it on
Well, after
30th of November.
November.
That time RDI lordship might have rejected that fertilizer matter. This person has purchased 379 411, not at all there. He himself has purchased man. And 386 is
CD?
available.
He did not receive, madam.
So today's fourth time I have.
This is will since once rejected, will
That's-
again
that's-
will again see.
Lordship.
The case diary call for is not received.
On 10th, madam.
No,
My lord,
no, 10 is
whether your lordship is staying in vacation, I don't know, madam. We don't have any idea, man. Because it is checked with your
let
lordship.
you not have the idea better. That's why this time there is nobody is having any idea except the dates.
But since this
Uh,
matter is checked with your lordship, it will
That's
come.
why I'm
Yes, sir.
saying list it when. What's me?
Huh?
How
No,
can be 15 November? Where is the calendar?
6, 7 is open.
Calendar. If you put November, no. If you- oh. On 28,
28,
20.
20.
After vacation, I am not available for 2 weeks.
20 man, November.
November.
Immediately after vacation matter. Then-
That is what I'm. At least
Oh,
I can say my
that's,
position.
I understand.
I can say my
I
position
understand.
immediately
I
after
understand.
vacation.
Oh,
Otherwise, it will go waste.
All right.
We'll see. We'll see. It's
20,
not that we are rigid. We'll see.
20,
20.
20.
2-0.
All right.
But he also had same prayer, my lord. He not.
No, no,
Interim.
lordship statements were called for.
My lord, he's on interim, my lord.
Interim.
On up 38th, my.
Okay. The scan copies of record along with case diary has not been received. Please this matter on
30, 11.
30. In the meantime, interim order pass filed.
Please, Lord.
Yes.
Did you receive?
It was.
Where is the statement of the
Lordship wants to tell.
yes?
There are two witnesses to the incident, my lord.
One is uncle.
His one
He
brother,
rushed to the spot.
brother, my lord. He said it. And another, my lord, he was there at that time. He also supported my two witness. I have claimed my. He said that, my lord. An attempt.
Attempt.
Yes.
Student of PA first semester, your lordship. There is a law with here, your lordship, subsequently distance or voice, your lordship. Out of pressure. There is the opposite religion, your lordship. This is the problem. Otherwise, there is a 354A. 354A is the bailable offense.
What is the punishment for attempt of 370? Is it bailable?
Yes.
Tell her. Where the 354 comes the way she has described. Somehow her brother and uncle could save her.
It's my
She
classmate
she
teaching in
no,
another college. Same class.
suppose she consistently says this statement before the court and her evidence the court thinks to be trustworthy. Even brother and other witnesses are not there. That is the law. Maybe love affair. Don't love girl like this. Feruza statement, including the statement of the victim as well as eyewitness. If the girl specifically implicated the petitioner in commission of the offense, in as well as there are two eyewitnesses, right? Considering the above present rate application. Then considering the this court is of the view that this is not a fit case for grant of privilege of pre-arrest. You go there, come back, we'll give you. Stands rejected. City is returned.
Complaint. 32, my lord, city not receiving.
My lord, this is the start of question, my lord. It's it is not received. Page 9, my lord, there. We are not in interim. This is the land dispute between the brothers, my lord. For which, my lord, some altercation was made.
Allegation is that, my lord, a sharp weapon hit on the head. Yeah.
This
That is
by-
only
This is by the accused number 5 only, my
allegation 9. Allegation 9. Yes.
The case that he called for is an applicant case that he called for is not received. Who is accused number 5? Name.
Named, my lord. This is accused number 5, Ranjit Malaka.
Peruse the FIR, which reflects that the specific allegation of assault is attributed to accused number 5 slash petitioner number
Ranjit Malaka.
petitioner number 5.
Ranjit Das alias.
Considering the nature of allegations against the other accused person, comma, the petitioners, namely Bulon 1, 2, 3, and 4
And 6, my
and 6. Interim. They will appear. It is a court statement. However, it is made clear that we have not protected the petitioner number 5. Place this matter
On my lord, 38
38
November.
along with the injury report.
Okay.
Maybe the
My lord, 33 also, my lord, till 35, my lord, we have not. City not received. Oh, arrested.
It is submitted by Mr. Mahajan that the petitioner has already been arrested. On instruction submits that petition has already been arrested. Therefore, this matter has become infractions. Accordingly, same stance goes, petitioner shall be at liberty to file regular petition.
Last one call for city not. City not received, my lord. Whatever had in this case, the allegation not 376 and the allegation absolutely false allegation not. So relation of informant is the elder sister in law. So civil suit also going on not. The petitioner mother has filed a civil suit not. So lady initially she was married not. And after demise my elder brother, she occupied the whole property not. And so far on equal lordship, the D2FR has lost. It's a false information. False information lost by the property.
When?
Only interim. If
My lord, after vacation, my lord, after 10th, my lord,
You better tell it.
civil suit has been going on lordship.
Maybe.
16.
Maybe.
Lordship which will respect lordship. The civil suit has been going on lordship.
So, civil suit still going on. Her husband died. And okay, forget about the
And
further time being the rape, but there is some other allegation.
Lordship, the petitioner previous to one marriage was second marriage lordship. The two minor children of their lordship. The second marriage lordship. So there are some lordship.
Your brother married on married woman with 2 children. Now your brother has also expired. Will that lead you to deprive her of all those things and torture her? You file civil suit, get the property if she has deposited.
So now-
But
now
will it
petitioner-
permit you to do all these things?
A petitioner has been ousted from this property lottery. So that he has taken the advantage.
File and You-
Interim.
have you been granted injunction? Yes.
Hello.
9, na?
My lord, 16.
Hello. Lordship will find after this 9 minutes. Both the petitioners are not after name exist minutes.
It is there.
Case, my lord, there is sufficient evidence against. It's a case of my lord, robbery and afterwards killing. My lord,
Oh, that lady who went to the bank.
no, my lord, she went to fetch some
For dinner.
for dinner, my lord. Thereafter, she was got hold of her and looted, man. And after that, she was killed. And those items were recovered from the house of one of
And-
the petitioner.
What is your case accident?
My lord, it is also reported in the accident case. My
I recall now.
my lord,
Your case is that
my lord.
you were together. You do not dispute that.
Case number 1 to 20, my lord.
You were together.
Yes.
So she met with an accident and she died. If she were together, she was riding one of your bike, something like
Case
that.
number 1, my lord.
Bike. Then you went for a natural call. She was walking in the street, and then she was hit by a vehicle. She died.
I have
Then
not
why
seen
have you
the-
not informed?
the family member? Yes, my lord. Case number 2 is no
EM
connection, my
report
lord.
is exactly different from what it.
The case number 2,
To see, you do not require postmortem report. If they both are together in the spot
Lordship carried.
and she was hit by a vehicle,
Yeah.
why he has not informed?
First duty is to inform.
Inform the police that there is an accident. Take her to the hospital.
Let me submit the my lord. Accused number 2, my lord.
Hmm.
I have some telephone. I'm the brother-in-law of the accused number 1, my lord. Only the connect
How many days?
No, my
This is
lord.
AB.
AB.
No, AB is not possible.
for
See-
petition number 2, my lord.
No,
Apply.
Considering the material so far collected, which implicates the petitioner's hearing.
actually, it's good.
This court is of the view that this is
One,
not
now, my lord, 120B, 294, 201 also added.
rejected.
Apply.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Sir, we have done a mistake in this case,
What mistake? you have?
my lord. FIR was registered under 389, your lordship. We have filed AB and it is bailable, my lord.
Can you-
And then, my lord, after filing of this AB, my lord, they have added section 387
Yes.
now, my lord,
Now 387 added.
added, my lord, on 12th of this month.
120B is bailable.
If the offense
Okay, relating to
related to
the
that offense.
What was the offense?
My lord, 387, 89, my lord.
Is railway protection force. Gold.
My lord, gold, they are police personnel, my lord.
Gold that
Gold.
GPay.
Jeep.
GPay to the
Give
vendor.
it to the vendor. Our,
What a modus operandi.
we do not know much.
CD also not received.
City not received.
Now,
Since that is, it is submitted that in the meantime, section
387, my lord, added.
387 has been added by the investigating officer after due permission from the concerned magistrate. First off, the case diary, be that as it may, case diary call for is not received. Accordingly, list this matter on
On my lord, 14th, my
14th, on which for production of case.
23.
Public.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
May please lordship. My lord, regarding abatement, my lord, the lordship will find page 18. I am not named in the NFI. I am a teacher, my lord, and the person who died, my lord, also a teacher, my lord. My, well, why, there is a demand not by me, my lord. It's 2 person has been arrested, my lord. Kindly see the FIR at page 18, my lord. My lord, FIR is say that this
It is
Rajkumar,
there.
It is there, man.
18. FIR is 18.
yes, 18, my lord. My lord, these 2 person, my lord, what it is a very specific allegation due to the repeated demands. He suffered mentally, as a result of which he committed suicide in the morning today. The person who demanded the money are Sanjay Prasad Sahu, I am not, and Sanjay Kamraka. These 2 persons, they have been arrested, my lord. They are in behind the bar, my lord. Now, what my apprehension is this, my lord, I am the cluster resource center coordinator, my lord. So
That is what we have not granted you interim only on that. What is your apprehension?
well, that is your lordship will kindly see that why.
Yes, what is his role?
My lord, he is the mastermind, my lord. What has happened, my lord? My lord, one lady, my lord, he named Madhumita, my lord. He has some leave-related dispute, my lord. So he is in talking terms with the headmaster. That is the deceased person, my lord. This is, but somehow, my lord, this Devo Kumar, my lord, he comes to know of the fact that, and thereafter, my lord, threatening him, my lord, and also, my lord, treating with direct consequences, my lord, tried to, my lord, demanded money from both Madhumita and also this petitioner, my lord. Several times he called both of them to the residence, then again threatened them, and he also, my
He is
lord,
also a teacher.
he is also a teacher, my lord. And-
What is the leave dispute between?
Well, I'll show you, my lord.
My lord,
What
and
my
my lord,
Lord has said.
That's
yes, my
the
lord,
that's
the
the-
fact I am
Ah.
explaining, my lord. And he also, my lord, called the 2 journalists, my lord, whose names were there in the suicide note. On there, his name also is there, my lord. My lord, and by them also used to threaten the, my lord, this is my lord. And
What is his interest?
his interest, my lord, the money, my lord.
He is a teacher.
He is also teacher, my lord. Perhaps your lordship may like to go for the city, my
My lord will,
lord. Just your statement. Of my lord.
You were not named. Nothing was there. That's why also we have not. I
Yes.
was a little bit sharp. Oh,
But-
it is not my case. Or
why,
of course, there is no interim order in this case. I
my
was
lord,
a
your
little bit
lordship will kindly,
surprised.
kindly see, my lord, the reason behind, my lord. There may be, my
164
lord.
is a long
Lord.
statement. 164 of this, uh, the another co-teacher, my lord, it will be clear.
I'll show, my lord, what, why he has paid this.
For the, I have underlined some important mark because they're big statement. Yes, sir. I 89, 82.
What is the name of the deceased?
Is
This
Panika, my lord. Ras Kapoor Panika.
You are Devakakoti.
My lord,
Yes.
You are the sub inspector.
My lord, CRCC.
CRC.
CRCC, my
That
lord.
means they have some control over the teachers.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
Before joining, I was an employee of district primary education program. That is how it is CRCC,
Yeah.
BRCC.
Yes.
I know
Yes.
what is CRCC.
Then Lord, will be,
Cluster Resource Center Coordinator.
Coordinator, yeah.
Lord, you will be knowing more than me what is happening on the
What about this Sanjay Shah?
arrested man.
Arrested. Very good.
These two journalists, they were
Arrested, no? Very good.
peculiar things we came to know my lord, by reading those test match. What is going on?
No, this is a reality.
Really.
Here is reality.
Right.
That man was a wide-hearted man. He thought that this
Mm.
girl is
Going for
doing a teacher's job.
Mm.
She want to appear in the APSC.
Mm.
Everybody has refused her leave.
Yes.
So he said, okay, you appear, study,
Yes.
I will give you the attendance.
Yes. That is
Now he took advantage of
at
that. Now, when he refused to pay,
Yes.
then he sent the journalist,
Yes.
have the inquiry.
My lord,
Now this journalist arrested.
my lord,
Certain statement, Mr. Bora, when we read,
my
we
lord,
can understand whether it is exaggeration. In 376 case also, we on day one grant bail absolute. But you will know who is correct, who is not correct.
Lord.
Let me have this.
Lord.
Now, Biryani is also arrested.
Two were arrested, my lord. Those two, perhaps his name is Brian.
Santosh Karmakar and Sanjay Prasad.
Santosh
These two.
and Santosh, Sanjay and Santosh. Money demand is going up and up. First 10,000, thereafter it grew to 2 lakhs.
My lord,
Go to upstairs.
my lord, just 1 minute, my lord. Your lordship will kindly peruse page 16. It's a
Okay.
vernacular, my lord. Why? Because lordship will kindly appreciate one thing. The FIR is of T10, my lord. My lord, had I T, my lord, that statement which has been given by the college, I have given a report that is on 3/6, my lord.
Hmm.
3/6. That means 4 months, my lord. And my lord, your lordship will kindly see, I have given a coordinator, I have to give an enquiry report, my lord. Enquiry, had I been demanded money, that is also your lordship has to take into consideration. So definitely I will not file the report, my lord. The report is what? My lord, kindly see the report, my lord. That is in vernacular, the translated copy is also there. Lordship may kindly see the vernacular.
I am in page 16.
Yes, my lord, there is a vernacular. Vernacular, what it says, this is what is actually going on in the school. I have submitted the report. This is the report, my lord. And because of this report, my lord, once the one thing your lordship has to appreciate that if I had it been not filed a report to the concerning authority, my lord, yes, that will be a different, my lord.
Why this report is given is because your demand is not satisfied.
No, your lordship kindly see that is a when 27/6/23, my lord,
As
that
per
is in
the
the month
CD, they started long back.
20, my lord. And how it has
Started, it's a continuous effort.
my lord, it is, if your lordship kindly see,
You had made 3-4 attempts.
my lord,
First, you even called a lady to your place.
Hmm.
She did not
my
obey that.
definitely,
This is one of your
and
demand.
repeated or lordship kindly see that
Good that she has not stated anything more than
More
that.
than that.
Ah.
Otherwise, my-
And other is that you will need money and you made a story. Yes, the person who expect he might have done an official mistake.
my lord.
Allowing a teacher to, without giving a study leave, to prepare for a PSC exam
Hmm.
and appear in the exam.
Yeah.
And allowed her to sign it subsequently. Yes, that is a proceeding.
But,
But the way you involve all other and allegation, we do not know. And
yes.
demand of money,
My lord.
subsequently one after another news published from on all the newspapers regarding this issue. And the allegation is that she has been not attending the school for last 6 months.
Lordship kindly
And finally, there is a specific suicide note. So therefore, you get an acquittal.
my lord, your lordship kindly see one thing. One, my lord, lordship kindly see the report is of 27/6/2023,
Hmm.
and lordship when I have been appointed, my lord. Kindly see it cannot be that because enquiry has to be by the report 11 page 11, my lord. Order your lordship kindly see when I have been appointed. Your lordship kindly see page 12. These are the school I have been appointed for this school, and when I have been appointed, that is page 13, my lord. 12/6, my lord. 12/6, 12th June, I have been appointed. That means I have to inquire from 12th June, and I have given a report on 27. That means within 15 days, I given a report. So the question of repeated demanding doesn't arise at all. Kindly see, 12/6/2023, I have been appointed by virtue of this circular, my lord, I have been appointed, and I have given the report when on 15, within 15. So if there's a
But
repeated
they
demand,
are asked to give report regarding what?
the enquiry report that
What is the inquiry?
this is
tell
the
us.
inquiry. I have seen everything.
No. What is your duty entrusted upon by that communication?
That
Page
whether
11?
the school uniform
Ah.
have been properly used or not, has been utilized.
Where is that? Where is your report on school uniform?
Yes, sir. Yes. Can you see the report? 16 মিলৰ বিনীত সন্মান সহকাৰে মই নিম্ন চাৰিখৰ আপোনাক জনাও যে ঐক্য সাজ সন্দৰ্ভত that is the school uniform মিলৰ মই ইমান তাৰিখে বৰ্ণিত বিদ্যালয়লৈ গৈছিলো. That is on 27/6 itself.
Understand?
And I have given the report.
Your report on more concerns the other issues than the school uniform. Why?
So kindly see that what it says that ওপৰৰ বৰ্ণিত বিদ্যালয়লৈ গৈছিলো বিদ্যালয়ত ঐক্য সাজৰ একো তথ্য পোৱা নগ'ল. That means there is nothing. So for the uniform is
They are the report should end.
মাত্ৰ কেইটামান ল'ৰা ছোৱালী স্বাক্ষৰ থকা এখন বহি দিছিল. They have provided me বিদ্যালয়ত so and so প্ৰায়বোৰ অতি অপৰিষ্কাৰ বিদ্যালয়ত
Is it your mandate to inspect? অপৰিষ্কাৰ,
মানে
অতি
I have given-
লেতেৰা,
I have
শিক্ষাৰ্থী
given-
চাৰিগৰাকী,
I have
শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী তেওঁলোকৰ চিনাকি হ'ব জানে তাৰে এগৰাকী স্থানীয় শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী নহয় নিয়োগপ্ৰাপ্ত যে মধুস্মিতা গোহাঁই মাহেকীয়া দৰমহা বন্দোবস্তিত তেওঁক বিদ্যালয়ত পাঠদান কৰিছে বদলে নাহে. Who has asked you to give all this report to
Definitely,
Madhusmita?
one only thing, definitely one thing what I want to submit my lordship, that this is a report by 12 and 17. So had it been supposed, if I file the report in the month of October or September, then your lordship will say that there is a repeated demand, my lord, by so and so, my lord. There should be a repeated demand X, Y, Z, so and so, so and so. Kindly see that I have given an answer.
You have visited when?
27 itself and 27 itself.
27th of
June, my lord.
27th of June.
June, my lord.
And this incident started, do you know, from
last
which
three-
date?
3-4
From
months.
11th of May.
Because 11th of May, I was,
Ah.
no, kindly see, 11th of May, I have not been appointed. I do not
No,
have a
no.
power, my lord. I have been appointed on 12/6, my lord, June, my lord.
From 11th of May, even you said to the girl that don't do all this. Don't do all this. This
Because-
APSC is corrupt. You need not go for exam. Be a teacher here.
No,
It's
my
a
lord,
statement
that-
under
that's a
164.
different-
It's not a 161.
This is 164. statement.
164, man.
That is why how it, from May it comes, I don't know, my lord.
It started from May.
Because I have been appointed in the month of June, my lord. That's all.
On 27th, you called the deceased to your place and you threatened him. And then you said that ask the lady to meet me alone. We'll pass this order. But it's a rejection, we'll pass a detail order.
My lord,
Let the city be there.
Yes.
Rejected.
my lord. Much better.
Bailing it.
39 in disposed of, my lord.
Not by me.
Let it be.
That is
I
what-
was
Huh?
expecting. That is what I have.
I have seen it,
As because
otherwise a
balance is
small
not
issue,
there,
but
my lord.
propriety is that
Yeah.
when after vacation,
After it.
after vacation. List this matter before, this is an application for correction.
No, no, my
No, it is
modification.
Modification. Initially, I have not seen, I thought I will allow it, then I saw that
No issue, my.
this application is filed for modification of a bail order dated 2020, passed by a coordinate bench. Accordingly, list it before the appropriate.
Definitely.
The petitioner was sentenced to 8 years imprisonment.
Hmm.
The death is a natural death as per the postmortem report.
Hmm.
So we see the FIR.
LCR is there.
Yes, they have. Is there. I also made a paper book. There is a paper book also.
Paper? No, I tried to see everywhere because these paginations are absolutely bad.
Paper book page, FIR page 1. Paper book.
No, from where have you said that it's a natural death?
From the
Here are injury spleen.
It's an internal injury. It's an internal injury.
Ah,
Internal injury, but
and that ligature mark is not complete. What more you want?
your lordship, you just appreciate
Will
one.
not appreciate anything today. You are for
Your Lordship, respondent number 2.
respondent number 2. Do you want to file an objection in the IA?
Yes, Lordship, we
Yes.
did not got the copy.
Give a copy of the IA to the respondent number 2. Yes, how many years?
8 years.
Huh?
8 years. Because there is
8
no,
years.
there is a small child. There is no external injury found in the postmortem report.
That is the problem. It was said, you have said many things to the family.
So there is
That
no.
this happened, that happened. We do not know. This is the findings. Then you say that this is to be suicide. The ligature mark is not complete. Half. and there is a injury of the spleen. Spleen is ruptured.
Rupture internal breathing. It can be ruptured as per my research. If there is
So
a
that research we'll do later on.
in 313
That
statement,
research we'll do later on.
in 313 statement, your lordship, it was
Either rejection right now
No,
or an objection.
a date may be given.
The learned counsel for the informant respondent number 2 praised that he may be granted some time to file an objection to the IA. Prayer is allowed. List this matter. Give it. First the page number.
Possible.
In these cases, there is a presumption. Marriage of 4 years. 4 years. How have you discharged your burden? A postmortem report says injury,
There is no
rupture,
libel
ligation mark is not complete. Then a doubt itself creates. You will have to, onus is upon you to explain.
Yes,
Where is your explanation?
Yes.
Nothing.
There is an approximate link between the parties. Between the
Proximate will come later on. Presumption.
and
Dowry, demand of dowry, presumption. Marriage is 4 years. How have you discharged your explanation?
I will satisfy your lordship.
Today I am not satisfied. Yes,
May I plead your lordship?
yes.
I kindly come to the page number 19 here. I.
Assuming how many unlisted? But we'll go by our word in the morning. If we finish the list, we'll not come back. Huh? What is this? IA for what?
I AB.
IA for what?
Modification.
Modification.
What happened?
Kindly come to the page number 19, your lordship.
Yes.
There are 4. 9 and 10, Naibali Sheikh and Karmat Ali granting bail by this honorable court. And page number 20, your lordship. Para 5, Naibali Sheikh and Karmat Ali also may be wrongly recorded.
One.
Respondent number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17, 18, namely Sorab, Samsul, Muktadar, Imdadul, alias Naib Ali Sheikh, Naib Ali, Koramat,
Karmat Ali.
Penchu, have made out case. Okay.
Yes.
So you have granted whom?
Naibali Sheikh and Karmat Ali, 9 and 10. After perusal of the case.
ভুল করেছে শুনে তবে আর ভুল করিতে anticipating hereby disposed by protected in the event of arrest 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16 and 17. Isn't that it?
Yes.
And again you said 9 and 10. Again you have rejected. Though the accused number, accused petitioner number 9, namely Naib Ali Sheikh, alias Naib Ali, and petitioner number 10, Karamat Ali, was granted anticipatory bail, and the bail in respect of petitioner number 6, 7, 8, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 18 were rejected. However, in the penultimate paragraph, that is at paragraph in the paragraph 5, inadvertently the name of applicant number Naib Ali Sheikh and respondent number applicant number 10 Komat Ali is also included in the list of persons whose anticipatory bail has been rejected. Such typographical error be corrected and corrected and their name from the paragraph 5 be deleted and a new order be uploaded. Isn't it? That is the mistake. Everywhere everything is fine, but somehow these two
This
names
one came in the
came in.
rejected.
That is because of copy and paste. Isn't it? This copy paste business is creating havoc. And when these are 12, 13 methods are there, our brain also not
Yes.
almost how many 13 applicants were there. You have rejected for 4 or 5.
No.
6 rejected.
12 admit.
Huh?
12 allowed. 12 allowed.
12 allowed. See, meaning there by 18 bail applicants.
Obliged.
Accordingly, IS test is proposed.
One.
Okay.
But my tenure is in legs in court.
He will be in legs only.
But then this is
He's
Bombay.
always on legs. When this method comes, he's always on legs. Please this method after vacation.
They'll be fixed.
Give a date after third week.
But there is interim order that
That will definitely conflict. 22nd. Hope on that day he will, even if he is on legs, will hear you. Or there is a judgment passed by the Honorable Apex Court that in case of revision, even in absence of the counsel or the petitioner, a matter can be taken up on merit. Make it clear to your citizen. Okay? Yes, we disposed it of yesterday, but we cannot.
And the matter come.
This is the matter, isn't it? That, see, Mr. Sinha.
But in the trial also, if the trial goes on.
No, we'll go to the trial, everything later on. Who is victim?
No, victim has come here.
Huh?
Victim has come.
Who is the accused?
Accused the husband.
Where is the accused? He is neither respondent nor petitioner. We thought that accused has come and the
No,
informant has supported. What is the victim? Where is the victim? Can a victim will say that victim's petition is not maintainable?
The victim has come here because FIR has been filed by the father of the victim.
That we know. But admittedly, victim is 15 years.
Yes, ma'am. That's why she has been represented by mother, ma'am. In this case, ma'am.
This is difficult. This we cannot pass an order. In fact, we have disposed of it.
Yes, yesterday it has come.
Because we thought that we have not gone to details. The petitioner will be the accused.
No,
Will come for causing.
no, here is that petitioner is
Here
apprehended.
again arguing, I am dismissing it. Do the needful for correction.
Yes, ma'am. We will do that.
File an application by the accused to
Yes,
join
madam.
as a
Yes, we will.
join as a petitioner, or she will file or file by her to make him a respondent.
Yes, ma'am.
He should
Yes, ma'am.
file a application.
Yes, we will file the implement petition after vacation.
Now what is her age?
Now I think it is 16.
Heard the learned counsel for the parties admit this
Yes.
application. Let her be
Yes.
18, 19. We'll see. Admit this application for hearing. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till disposal of the.
Interim, no interim order.
What
Right,
no
so-
interim order? There was an interim order.
Interim. Authority.
Interim order is there.
No interim order. If the husband is apprehending arrest, so that if it is possible, my lord, interim
No,
order. we can-
पुस्तक आले कौन लिख लिखी considering the matter in entirety.
Yeah.
Admit this application, all for the record. All of itu kali dia dikasih nafile, considering the controversy. Admit and considering the matter in entirety, the further proceeding in
GR case number 365 of the 22.
2022 pending before the learned special judge POCSO
Yeah.
shall remain suspended.
Obliged. I look. Correct case copy maybe.
Don't do that.
Yes, Molly. Sorry, Molly. Yes.
This is not the way.
Yes, Molly. Yes.
Victim can be a joint applicant.
Yes, Molly.
The-
Yes, Molly. Yes.
Accused can come for quashing. Victim
But
can be a joint applicant.
the accused is apprehending because all the family members are apprehending. But police are giving some. Okay, Molly. I will apply. Okay, that is good. Yes.
Nowadays, we'll start not believing the whatever it said. We'll go through each and every page. See, this is I have disposed of when I started dictation. I
Then,
said, why? How can it happen?
Yeah. Alright.
Yes. We'll take it after vacation. Mr. Booth,
Please fix it.
give a date. As agreed to by the parties, please this matter on 24th of November.
it is a lordship. But in this matter, LCR that was called for has not been received yet. Can copy. Lordship, service report upon respondent number 2.
What is the issue?
Issue is that Lordship, we are challenging the order passed by the learned magistrate, thereby directing further investigation. The police have submitted the final report, but the magistrate, after issuing notice to the informant, have directed further investigation. We are challenging the order of the magistrate. That is the issue.
Is it not permissible?
It is permissible, but
Then
we have made out the case wherein we have made out the case, Lordship, wherein Lordship that further
what
investigation.
if police has rightly given the final report?
So what are the materials which the magistrate, learned magistrate will have considered while directing for further investigation? What we have our
So
case is-
you say that order, there is no basis for issuing a further.
Lordship.
The scan copies called for has not been received. Accordingly,
I think.
matters and center registered to issue reminder. List this matter December. 4th of December. Interim order passed earlier.
Not even upon respondent number to the informant, if we may be permitted to take fresh steps, Lordship.
The petitioner is also, I have not seen you, and I have done with my full speed.
No. AK Board, Lordship.
No. The petitioner is permitted to take fresh steps for issuance of notice upon respondent number
2, Lord.
2. Such notice is made returnable after on 30th December, 4th of December 2023. For petitioner to take steps by vote with.
After vacation.
None appears for the petitioner on call, though the learned additional public prosecutor is present. In the interest of justice, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation.
December.
After vacation.
After
we
vacation.
come.
The criminal appeal has been preferred by the appellant lordship. Impugn judgment is at page.
This is
Criminal appeal.
criminal appeal.
Yeah.
What is the offense?
Offense committed to protect 3 and 5A of the substances act.
Explosive Substances Act.
Yes, sir. Page 81, Lordship, and expected ethics. Paragraph 46.
Of the IA.
And memo one will
Memo of
appeal.
April. Page
Page 81, Lordship. Paragraph 46. Considering the factual circumstances of the case,
just a minute. Page 80.
what?
I to discuss that.
What is the affair?
Dr. Lordship, page 3, Lordship, annexure 2.
I'll-
Page 23. Promoter affair.
Very good. Very good. It is not happening.
The case was registered
We'll
under
consider later. Paper book is how many years of conviction?
10 years.
10 years.
Have you filed objection?
So we'll file that in IM.
You have filed?
I have not filed mine
Okay.
because it is not
As
here.
the sentence is 10 years, the learned additional public prosecutor, Mr. Goswami, submits that he may be granted some time to file an objection in this IA. Prayer is allowed.
On first week of December.
First week of December. 6th of
Lordship, can I be little bit urgent? Lordship, he has blocked his hand and he has blocked his eyesight also. Behind.
but that you have lost yourself. What to do? That cannot be a ground for acquittal. We'll see whether procedures are followed, because here basically the establishment of seizure from your residence. That is one of the vital things we'll have to look into. Anyway. Remember,
First week of obliged.
Yes.
The small prayer of certification of a bail order passed by the London Detention and Session Judge, Amrut Metro. Lordship,
Kyle said that he has some difficulty. He will come a little bit later.
Lordship.
Okay, just wait for some time.
Yes.
Wait for some. What is the condition?
Condition is that the IO has this accused petitioner was directed to appear before the IO within 7 days, every 7 days. He is from Kolkata. So my prayer is that instead of
As and when.
as and when, very simple.
As and when. I've seen-
As and when
as and-
it may be 4 days also instead of 7 days.
Bail hearing.
My lord, it's pay for instruction, my lord. Yes.
Recovery.
Recovery, but the charge sheet has been filed. Again, your lordship will say, my lord.
So early.
I say na,
So early.
these are the cases.
Moment I received this, well,
Okay, we approach there.
The girl recovered.
Huh?
Girl,
Girl is recovered, so you'll have to file an application before the go there and come back. If not, we'll give it.
your lordship will forget.
We'll not
no,
forget. Will not forget. Even if I'm there. The
Such
learned
number.
additional public prosecutor Mr. Goswami has submitted that already charge sheet being
78 number, 78/23, dated 39/23.
has already been filed in view of the above. It's a sessions tribal.
Sessions table.
In view of the above, আমার একটা form
My
of-
lord, subscription, what section? is
just
there?
you write down sessions tribal.
Section 366 may not be.
Hmm?
366, my lord.
366. I think this will be 366A. Is a minor.
Sections, what sections are later, it is not clear.
From either file, either way. No, just it's a sessions tribal. They will give you the order. Sessions tribal because it will be ultimately 366A. Is a minor.
Minor.
May be wrong.
Minor.
Lovely.
Before starting, my lord, I just want to say that no records are received now, my lord. So lordship has to do the exercise more, my lord.
More. That is the problem.
My lord, matter related to section 366, my lord, kidnapping of an victim girl is 17 years, my lord. However, my lord, victim recovered, my lord. My petitioner himself handed over to the PS. Both have love affairs, my lord. The affair on case, Halakot for 13 minutes. Where we stated it was Kustola Luisa.
Only problem is that there is no this forwarding report. Police will not disclose whether girl is recovered.
Yes, every time.
Every time that
No, no.
helps us.
But in para 8, my lord, I have categorically stated that.
You stated
My lord, my
that we know. When have you been arrested?
28/9. Forwarded on 30 May. I was arrested by the Tezpur police, my lord, on 28/9, my lord. Forwarded by the
28/9. Notification দিতে আমার formula চলবে। এটা কি? Just write it down. A specific statement has been made by the petitioner that the
Money.
the victim girl was taken to the police station. The victim girl on her own went to the place of the accused, and that the victim on his own took the girl to the Tezpur police station and surrendered the police station when he was arrested.
I was arrested on 28 May.
Ah.
Girl was prepared before the 20.
Girl was. Can we have a instruction?
No.
You have an instruction, we will pass the order.
My
Today.
Yes.
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 39 application, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
That is a page 12.
Page?
Yes, photocopy yes, case number.
Page?
Page 12, Your Lordship.
Now go slow. We cannot go so fast
Yeah.
because we are without any homework.
May I read, Your Lordship?
When have you been arrested?
I have phone arrested. I have been phone arrested on 13/6/2020.
CD.
Your Lordship, 130 days behind the bar.
Under
Yes, he-
section
Under section UPA.
UAPA.
UPA.
UAPA will have to hear that thing. There might be some extension because there is a,
Yes,
there is
Lordship.
a provision of extension. We'll
Yes,
consider
Lordship,
it.
extended. We are, we have annexed at page.
UAPA day one, not possible. There are some mandate of law, specific allegation of demand of money.
Yes, Lord.
You are suspected to be a band organized, terrorist organization. So you cannot
Only on
Straight-
suspicion, Your Lordship.
understand, but in UAPA, we will have to look into the case diary. When?
No. Kokrajam. After
KLO.
vacation, after,
KLO, UAPA,
yes. On the 11, madam.
11. CD on
Saturday.
11. There is a formula. In
14,
application under 2020.
17,
Just see that formula.
17, 11.
CD. When?
15,
15. When was arrested?
16.
16. 10. When was it was arrested?
Sorry, Lord.
You don't have 19. 19.
One
Foxo is there.
mandatory 90 days.
So give a early date on
Sir.
reopening,
10,
and he is 45 years.
Yeah.
CD.
10, 10.
10.
That's only so.
When arrested? Date is also not here. Forwarding report.
In the cost title.
24/8/2023. Love affair, small boy, 20. I think you have already filed 24. It have the instruction.
Sure.
Huh? Will take after some time, and if no charge sheet is filed, will allow him to go on bail. Their only concern is this marriage. Just have a instruction.
Sure.
It was good. Scan copies, certificate,
Yes, ma'am.
scan copies of scan copies of which case? Special P case number 99 within bracket capital A slash 2023 pending before the learned special judge Pokso North Sarmara Obhaipuri
Yes, sir.
along with the case diary of Obhaipuri PS case number 250/2023. First we call for registry to call for format.
Obliged,
Scan.
ma'am.
When?
December.
4th of December.
Obliged, ma'am.
relating to child marriage.
Why have you married a child?
The parents arrange the marriage.
Where is the affair?
Yes, ma'am.
Who lost the affair?
Panchayat secretary.
Huh?
Panchayat secretary.
Application under consequence. Considering the fact that the affair has been lost by a Panchayat secretary and no allegation has been made either by the victim or by her parents, its court is of the view that petitioner is entitled for protection. Accordingly, interim granted on the following conditions. Appear within 10 days. For those are here. Call for the case diary. That will be there on the initially. This paragraph will be added. There is already a paragraph. Will be added there. When?
On interim, my lord, let it be on December.
December 4th of December.
Obliged.
Considering the fact, agot ko sila agot ko sila gaw pa sila. They are the same. Interim. Yes, what is this?
My lord, registered under section 26, my lord.
Where is the affair?
My lord, affair on page 9, my lord. Affair related to year 2021, my January 2021. But my case already completed the investigation. January 21.
I'm not getting it.
My lord, affair related to January 21, my.
It is 19/9/2023. Page 10. This is item number 8.
Name is Golap Hussain.
Item number 9, he is paying for 9.
Item 8.
My lord, sorry.
Fatima. 10. That's the manual list on one. Select photo clipping.
CD interim. When
FIR on page 9, my lord. Related to section 326, my lord, 379, my lord.
where is the FIR?
FIR on page 9, my lord. My lord, FIR was filed on long back, my lord, January
Please
2020.
give me a minute. Mhm. We'll call for the CDN injury report.
My lord, till then, section, my lord, one petitioner is, my lord, is it about 51?
Maybe. A judge works almost for 20 hours at the age of 62. 51 is no age.
My
now, I
lord,
think.
my lord.
CD.
Obliged.
Interim. Goswami,
Yes,
a little bit early
Lordship,
because there is
yes,
no
yes.
interim. 29. Yes, Bhagwan.
Yeah, based Lordship. This is 438 bail application, Lordship. Petitioner is the GOP server, Lordship. FIR at page 10, Lordship. The small quarrel between the parties, Lordship. Wrongfully restrained.
But there is serious allegation of injury
They're
and admitted in hospital. CD.
Being petitioner is a government GOP servant, Lordship. May kindly
So what?
till next year, Lordship.
Well, if he's a government servant, why should he do all this?
If anything come in case day, that may be reject, Lordship. For the timing,
Who is government employee?
page 18, Lordship. Petitioner. A fourth grade employee, Lordship. In the PW NS division, Gulagar.
They should not be protected.
No.
CD.
How like
Date. Unkala detail.
If early or immediately after reopening.
Lost right.
Section equality. This was a case under
That disturbs me most. The correction.
after
That
submitting-
disturbs that is a defect you can see. Yes, what should be what are the corrections? Tell us.
It was a case of submission of after submission of particular. Your lordship has directed to appear before the IO, and condition has
That mistake they are doing every time. This is an application. For correction of paragraph, correction of condition number
Condition.
4.
My-
Isn't it?
my lord.
Condition number 4 passed in connection with order dated 16/10/2023 in AB 3287/2023. The present case is a third seated one, and in under clause under condition 4 of grant of bail, it was provided that the petitioner shall continue to appear before the court, page 18, 2020. However, as the case has already been succeeded, such condition shall not be necessary, as full shall not be necessary. Accordingly, condition number 4 is deleted, be treated as deleted from the order dated 16/10/2023, passed in AB 3287/2020. That's all.
One thing, Lordship, he may be directed to appear before the
Ah.
because he has been
And a condition is put that he shall appear before the learned trial court,
trial court CGL. No,
before the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Naga.
apply.
And what is this is Abhina? This is disposed of.
Yeah.
Okay.
Two cases.
Highest tense disposed of.
Two cases, my lord, but the instruction notice whether guard recovered. I have written the message, my lord.
Recovered.
Not my lord, message. I have not received the instruction, my lord. Any between the vacation, because your lordship,
Minor.
mine.
He says is also, but their allegation is not of any rape or any rape is there.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No.
That they are in love.
Yes, ma'am.
She is not marrying.
Me, yes.
Let him go.
One.
File. There are some other mentions, HRA Chaudhury's correction, then NJ Datta's correction. Will once we rise, we will not come back.
Working.
See, Mr. Goswami just sister, see the affair. Okay, yes, call for the case diary. When? Give a date, immediate.
26.
26, vacation?
Yeah.
Okay, 20. 27 is the vacation code.
Right.
Ready. Over?
And one item 4 also, madam. Let it be on the same date.
Item 4.
Same
For your lordship, we have already informed him over.
production list.
Oh,
4.
sorry.
— 26. Huh? 27.
No.
When he was arrested?
আৰু কিমান
24/8.
ইয়াত আৰু এইখিনি কৰা আৰু বেলেগ নে ইয়াত অহা নাই নেকি
Let him go. Let this go.
No.
See, you see the sir.
No.
Kindly come.
No.
See the FF page 11.
এইকেইটা সেইকাৰণে বেলেগ ক'তো দিখিনি ক'বলৈ
She is not agree with the person of that relation. Her
No.
thing is that marriage to take. Okay, CD on
Same date, my lord, 26.
27.
Oh, that, but I'm sorry to interrupt. Item 5, your lordship, my lord. Your lordship is of December, my lord. This lady, my lord, no allegation against her, my lord. It is her husband, my lord.
People are not here. What to do?
My lord, we are not in a slow speed or
But
slow.
you are having.
No, I was under impression that it will bring a 2, my lord. So I have gone there, my lord. Anyway, I'm sorry. I'm sorry
In
for
the
that.
morning, I said that all unlisted are allowed, provided before I rise, matter comes. After I rise, I will. Even I have not taken a break today.
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry.
File has gone. What was that matter?
My lord, husband he has committed rape, my lord. Husband. This lady has prevented him. That is on that part, my lord.
Yeah.
Husband died in an accident. Thereafter. Now she was taken only because she could not prevent him. But on the record it is there, the girl herself said, the mother-in-law came and
He
found
was there. He was happy if I on fifth.
only date, my lord.
Okay.
Wait.
Search it, we call for the scan copies.
Can copy, my
Scan
lord.
copies. Give a date earlier. Huh? Okay, we'll change the date. 24th.
After vacation, my lord, anybody, my lord.
No, that we can give, but courts will be on vacation. Scan copies will not come. Again, we'll have to adjourn it. That is why.
On the face of the record, my lord, it is a case for us. On the face of the record, nothing is there.
That may be correct, but
Yeah.
we'll have to pass this order on the basis of the
We will
matter.
also help them, my lord, to bring it back immediately, my lord. We will also see how,
Give a date early date.
if possible, my lord.
Give 15.
I'm sorry, because lady, my lord, that's why I insist. 9. Obliged to, lord. Not
Yes.
problem. Item number 5, my lord.
Item number 5.
Five of Obliged to, lord. My IA have not come, my lord. One way.
Yes. We'll attempt for
My lord, this case, so now a step is to be taken also, my lord. Private responsibility.
private date.
Yes, item 5, my lord.
Then what is the meaning of giving early date?
No, that will do, my lord. That will do. We will take today, madam. He will take it, my lord. That can arrange it.
Okay, item number
5
Five.
production list.
notice to the respondent number 12.
Two.
Returnable on 15.
Obliged.
Well, we will not go further. He says that change this condition to a condition as and when,
No, Lordship.
not every 7.
No, Lordship, I have no objection to what Lordship order will pass, but the fact remains that condition is there. He is attending. Fortunately, to see the
He-
chart.
He's coming.
Lordship, see how he is coming and how he is cooperating, Lordship.
More than 22 times.
Lordship,
Last
please to
5
see.
months, every
Thereafter,
week.
I have nothing to submit, Lord.
He can go for cancellation of bail. The remedy is life with
No, Lordship, there is no question of cancellation of bail. Lordship, please see the chart. And I have received a paravise comments just before some time, Lordship. And here, Lordship, the huge amount has been evaded with respect to GST.
No, that we understand. But he has come
Yes, Your Honor. 22 times I have.
on 11/5, 18/5, 2020.
Lordship, may please to see the time. When is reporting, when he is leaving.
No, that depends on the IO. If the IO, that IO has left.
That how can you say?
Oh,
No. Lordship, let him complete, then I will submit.
I'm sorry.
You take it. It is-
Lordship, what happened? Bail was granted. And 3 condition was
Put that every 7 days. he'll
every
appear.
7 days. Lordship, problem is this. There is a huge evasion of tax amounting to about more than 50 crores. Lord. Now he is operating about more than 6 forms. All are fake forms. We are asking that you give the statement of that form. He is not giving. And he is reporting to the IO. Lordship, please see the time. When he is coming and who is leaving.
No, that we understand. Don't allow him to go until and unless he
Lordship,
gives it.
this is the problem with the authority, Lordship. We cannot detain him because we have nothing.
You file an application that this person is not cooperating. We need this, so we need his custodial interest.
Then we will file. Lordship.
You file an application. Since on the basis of this, we will give a liberty that if he is not cooperating, you will always be at liberty to for cancellation of that. That needless to say.
And this is my para-wise comments today. I could not file my affidavit.
Do you want to file an affidavit here?
Not if it is necessary.
If it is necessary, you file it.
No.
But this is our view. We'll just say
No,
that,
I cannot make any comments.
no. See, everybody should have a right of OTS. Since he is coming from 11/5 till now, every 7 days. If you want to file an objection, he will come on the next date also. That is not an issue since he is coming. But our view is that instead of every 7 days, it should be as and when. You may call today and tomorrow also, continuous. It will be give a more advantage to you.
No, Lordship, I have understood.
You say that you appear today and give a notice him that you appear tomorrow also. Then day after also.
I'll file my affidavit within a week, Lordship, because since I have received the.
Okay, but it's interim protection. I don't know how much time it will take. Last occasion also, it was time was taken.
Lordship, last week it was paid, and the department is.
You are coming, just come for 2 more days, then we'll give you the benefit.
And-
You are coming since May.
And we are asking for some specific document. If he gives the Lordship, we have not required his further presence. We'll file our necessary complaint before the learned trial court as per the law.
No, suppose see certain things, if he is not having, we cannot compel to give a document.
No, Lordship, I understand, Lordship, we cannot compel, but we are asking because he is running 3 farms.
If there may be situation that no, we need his custodial interrogation, you may definitely file an application on certain grounds. There is no quarrel on that.
No, Lordship, that is available to us. Sir.
Available to you. Now his limited question is that I am coming and going. Modify it to that extent that as and when will give you more advantage than these 7 days.
Lordship, my instruction is.
So therefore, since you are representing a department, we will not say no to you for an adjournment for filing an objection.
I'll file
If
with
no objection is filed, we'll consider the matter without an objection.
Lordship,
We'll observe that.
My urgency at page 61 only one. Page 61, Your Lordship. This requires the presence of both the parents, Your Lordship, IBF. The date is 5/7/2023, Your Lordship. So my presence is very much required. So if the IO doesn't need me, at least I can be there with my wife. And in IBF, Your Lordship knows the father and mother.
When is the date?
No, this is a continuous process of,
Okay.
I don't have any child. So, and in IVF, Your Lordship, look now. Both the parents are required, Your Lordship. That is why, Your Lordship.
Mr. Kyle, we'll give him some respect
Yes, Your Lordship.
as an interim. You file an objection.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Till then, he will appear as and when called.
Lordship. That's my point.
Till then,
Till then.
Yes,
subject till you file an objection.
Lordship.
Heard Mrs. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.C. Kyle, learned standing counsel, GST. You write this order. Up to. He will grant substantial with that prayer according to law. The learned counsel, the learned counsel for a petitioner submits that his wife is going on a treatment for IVF. And therefore, his presence is required, and he is attending the IO since 11/5/2023 as per direction. As per direction and condition contained in original order bail order
11/5/2023.
11/5/2023 passed in BA number 363/2023 by the learned session judge number 5 Kamrup Guwahati. However, the condition of appearing on every 7 days may be modified as an interim measure to the extent that he will appear as and when he is called by the IO. This court is of the view that prayer is this court considers that such a prayer can be allowed looking at his conduct that he has appeared in terms of the earlier order. Though Mr. S.C. Kyle has objected such prayer on the ground that though the petitioner is appearing, however, he is not cooperating with the investigating officer. Be that as it may, as an interim protection measure, it is provided that instead of the condition that he shall appear before the IO in every 7 days, comma, it is provided that he shall appear before the IO as and when called for. This is provided as an interim measure until the objection is filed by the respondent. This is GST. Respondent.
DGGI.
Huh?
Director of Intelligence Central Question Services.
GST
will do lot.
by the GST authority.
Instead of sessions, it should be additional sessions.
Additional session.
May take the paragraph.
You take this. Give a date, then
Maybe listed on reopening day.
reopen.
Much okay.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Done.
One item, Your Lordship. I took 52 years.
What happened to 52?
Good morning, Your Lordship. I appeared, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship told me that last item.
Okay. What was the 52? Follow. This should be the way.
Yes, I'm extremely sorry because in morning.
Better be sorry.
One matter was in.
No.
Item one.
We know the difficulties of lawyers,
Yes.
but we believe in strict decorum in the court.
Yes.
You cannot come and say that my matter, I was not here, my matter. Yes, what is this?
In page 11,
This
Your
is
Lordship-
motion.
Motion, ma'am. In page 11, Your Lordship, have a look. This is the FIR, Your Lordship. The nature of allegation, Your Lordship. I am reading, Your Lordship. সম্মানপূর্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা কিছুদিন ধৰি উপৰোক্ত আসামীজনে মোৰ ছোৱালী মফিদা খাতুনক বিয়া কৰোৱাৰ প্ৰলোভনেৰে ভাল পাই আহি অবৈধ সম্পৰ্ক স্থাপন কৰি আহিছিল যোৱা 2/8/2000
This is not a case for bail on the
No.
day one.
No, man. Lordship, I have annexed the marriage certificate, Your Lordship, that is at page 12, Your Lordship.
Marriage certificate with whom?
With the Alice victim girl, Your Lordship, the daughter of the informant. And this
Marriage on which date?
marriage, Your Lordship, that is page 14, Your Lordship, on 12 June 2023. And here in the incident took place on 2/8/2023, and the FIR was lost on 2/10.
Just a minute. What is the date of affair?
2/10/2023, Your Lordship.
2/10
2023. 2/10/2023.
2/23.
And the date of Alice incident is 2/8/2023. 2/8, after 2 months, Your Lordship, this affair has been lost.
Exactly. You married her
But
and
marriage-
sold her.
No, marriage was here. Marriage was taken place on 12 June 2023. In the month of June 2023, there was marriage.
Exactly. In the month of June 2023, you married a girl. In the pretext of marriage, you took her to Kanpur, sold it to somebody else.
In page, Your Lordship, 18, there is
This
one
is
more
not a
agreement, Your
case
Lordship.
for come for quashing with the lady. We'll
Now,
quash it.
now, Your Lordship, the allegation, Your Lordship.
Now you
Alice
you
incident-
dissolve the marriage by agreement.
Yes. Now the
see.
allegation is that, Your Lordship, it was Alice incident was
Want a rejection day on day one.
No. 10/11.
What to do?
No filing. Hey.
Correction of the order, my lord.
Achha, what should be the correction?
At page 12, my lord,
Page 12.
of the I-1038,
in paragraph 7, page 12 and below.
Paragraph,
Paragraph 7, the last paragraph. Instead of the branch manager, HDFC Bank,
the present application is filed.
page 12 in the IA. 103.
Branch manager HDFC.
Yes, instead of branch manager, it should be personal relationship manager / personal banker.
Submit that there is a mistake at paragraph 7, wherein the petitioner, wherein the petitioner is stated to be joined as branch manager HDFC Bank Dibrugarh branch, whereas it should have been
Relationship manager / personal banker.
relationship manager
Personal bank.
/ personal banker in HDFC Bank Dibrugarh branch.
In the year 27/5/21.
Month of
In the month of May 21.
from branch manager in the month of May 2021. Accordingly, same be corrected accordingly. Thus, the paragraph 12, paragraph
7.
what will the paragraph?
7.
4, 5, 6. Paragraph 7 shall be read as follows. Mr. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has joined as relationship manager
/ personal banker.
since personal banker, HDFC Bank Dibrugarh branch in the month of
May 2020.
May
2021.
2021.
Only that part.
With the aforesaid correction, the IA stands disposed.
The same in paragraph item number 13.
Here what?
Same in paragraph 7, instead of branch manager, it should be field officer.
Field officer.
And join in the year, in the month of May 2013.
In the month of May 2013.
2013.
Okay. Field manager
HDFC branch manager
Dibrugarh in the month of
May 2013.
May 2013. Okay. IA stands disposed.
All right.
Or any other call it if anything is there.
Okay. I'm extremely sorry, my lord. In item number 6, I could not, my lord, appear, my lord.
Item number?
Item number 6, my lord, production list, my lord.
Yes.
That is your lordship is placed to pass order, my lord. Learned PP has informed me that your lordship is placed to grant interim. Only while I am shown to be absent.
We have not said that you are absent or present. We have
Not
not
yet.
said anything.
Deeply obliged, my lord. I'm sorry.
It will be difficult nowadays. This kind of orders,
Yeah, I
we do
beg
not
apology, Lord.
look into all this.
Lordship, I beg apology. Lordship, in para 5 in page.
You correct it. You correct it. Where mistake is that, you correct it, then dispose.
Yes, Lord. I'm correcting.
Correct it.
Yes,
Give initial.
yes, Lord. I mean, item 8.
8 is fine, no
Yes, Lord.
difficulty. But in his
I mean,
case,
his
there is a
mistake, Lord.
difficulty. You correct it.
May I please, Lord, my lord?
Third seated.
Yes, my lord.
10 copies.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, one thing, my lord, page 21. Is in custody for last, my lord, 252 days, my lord. 252 days, my lord. The medical report, my lord, says negative, my lord. Kindly see page 21. 3 marks.
You must be reasonable.
So the petitioner is in custody for last 252 days. about 8 months.
Why are you waiting for last day to file it and make amendment?
My lord,
Huh?
kind of only
Huh?
2 3 days before.
So you after vacation.
My lord, kindly
Please.
allow this.
Huh?
Kindly, my lord, kindly allow this, considering this fact, my medical report at least, my lord, page 21. My lord.
In a search sheet case, it cannot be done like this.
But my lord, he's
Search
ready.
sheet case, it cannot be like.
When person is ready to abide by any terms and
Had it
conditions.
been- We could have
My lord, my lord, since the stage of the trial is, my lord, for re-examination.
PP.
Stage of the case is for re-examination of the, my lord, PW 1, 2, 3. And I am page 27.
It's not possible. Be reasonable. To the extent possible, we want to give relief.
Medical report, nothing is there. So, my lord, considering this fact, my lord, ultimately, it will be proof that child will come. So, unnecessary his custody, my lord, will be considered custody for several months, another several months. Already he is in custody for the last 52 days, my lord.
All for the scan copies. But I have nothing to say. You will wait till the last day to move and unlist it. And you will want a third seated case, a bail on the basis of your document.
Yes, document is there, my lord.
On the basis of your document. Without going to the scan copies of the case. If you think it is to be regional, I have nothing to say. Yes, next case.
Obliged. My lord, date.
I think my feelings is this, Mr. Goswami, that I should become more stricter. These are not cases for which we allow unlisted.
Right.
Now, hereinafter, we will ask every details why you need unlisted, what is the urgency. We will do that.
May please. You will find the FIR at page 11. One 20 B 121 A 49 419 468 471. Then
What is your name?
my lord,
Ataur Rahman.
Ataur Rahman, here wrongly mentioned as Atiur Rahman. My lord, the petitions that appears to be vague and without any material. The state has the happy, they are having happy pardon to establish this type of thing.
Serious allegation.
Yes.
CD.
One case is like this going on.
CD.
Report, sir.
No copy.
No,
Yes.
no,
That
no.
is- no copy.
Not record.
Yes, your lordship. My lord, this is a case of last 17 years old.
Hmm.
Can you see the FIR page 12A? Actually, my lord, after that, there is an FIR against 3 persons. I am Bodon Sinha. The allegation was that we have misappropriated a sum of rupees 95 lakh. 3 persons names are there. Then, my lord, this person became a hermit. He went to Vrindavan and all along this 17 years, he is here at Vrindavan. At the last stage, he wants to make a ashram in his own village. And for that matter, he is afraid of police arrest. Now, Lordship, kindly say in a similar case, Lordship has granted bail to other person. I have been shown a absconder. Actually, I was in Vrindavan. I have annexed the document also.
Where?
My lord. Document kindly see, my lord, page 23. So, my lord, I was along with the hermits and devoted my life for the service of God and goddesses. In this manner, I was a little denounced the word.
You can have a touch with God even inside the jail. You will have to think that this is my ashram. There no place is required to connect with the God. We sit here, connect
the
with
other
the
two
God.
persons
You are
have been-
there, connect.
Other two
Go to
persons-
the jail and have some khichiris and connect to yourself.
Well, actually, case is such I will face trial. Well, other two persons have been granted bail and they have faced trial. I am ready to face trial because otherwise I would have concealed myself.
It is in the same case.
No, in another case, similar case.
Yeah.
In similar case. Lordship, in this all days, kindly grant me bail. I will face the trial.
All for the scan copies. Huh? Scan copies of till receipt of such scan copies considering the nature of allegation is provided that till
All right.
receipt of scan copy he may not may not be in the event he is arrested, it shall be released on bail of 30,000. It is only interim.
My lord.
Police
my
will
lord.
not arrest you.
My lord, may I say one thing, my lord?
So therefore,
No,
we'll see
I-
whether
I-
rightly absconder or not.
Sometimes, my lord, what
I have voluntarily
since
come.
he is just text
Ah.
that we are coming from. Since
He's in
17 years,
Vrindavan.
he might be my
Vrindavan, that is fair.
termed as a proclaimed offender also.
Ah.
Anything could be
Any
happen.
so therefore, for the
No.
time being, we are protecting him. We'll see. Will not pass a blanket order.
No.
If there is materials,
No.
we'll see on that.
My lord, voluntarily I have come.
Yes.
They could not find me out.
Yes.
My lord, may I pay one long time because he is in Vrindavan and a little 140 days time.
Okay, where otherwise they're fixing it because scan copy
In
we are
December.
fixing it on December.
No, he is Vrindavan. He will meet the IO in the meanwhile.
No, we are not saying IO. Search case, what IO will do?
And the next day,
That condition is not required that he will appear before the IO. Only we are simply doing in the event of arrest, he should be released on bail of rupees 30,000.
A little long that I will come.
11th of December.
Hello.
That
Hello.
much only. Not
not
much.
my, at least he should appear, my lord, at
I am
least
ready.
within
to
a
appear. I am
specific
ready.
date.
If you
my
have
lord.
lost him direct, I will
Otherwise,
appear.
with the interim order, perhaps my lord, he will not appear.
No, appear before whom?
My lord, at least, my lord, in the before the my lord,
Are you-
and a trial court, my
Trial judge is at Guwahati. I am ready.
land trial court is because if he interim order is there, he may
Or
not.
we can say that consider his case as per law till then
Yes,
the NBW and proclamation shall remain suspended.
proclamation cannot be suspended.
My lord, kindly see that order. Kindly similar order I have annexed.
Don't show orders which are having no basis of law. At least before this court. We ignore orders which is not based on law. Is there any power under 482 to pass this order? Time and again Supreme Court says don't do this.
My lord, may I appear?
And you are asking me to pass an order like this.
No, my lord, I am.
That's why I have given an interim
No, my lord,
protection.
my
We'll see, consider how you have proclaimed offender or not. Then only, this is my proposal, Mr.
Yes,
Goswami.
that's-
Let there be, in the event he is arrested, let him be released on bail. In the meantime, we'll see, we'll reject him if necessary. That's order will do for the time being.
Yes.
Appear is before whom he will appear.
My lord, appear because of his my non-appearance, my trial has not been
No,
proceeded.
other two have been trial.
Because
My information is
in
that.
with my apprehension that whether in the my lord, interim order, he might not come also.
No, from
No.
Vrindavan, it will not take 40 days, given early days.
At least he should at least submit before the learned trial.
While
court.
underpants
Then on the basis of this, he will be granted bail.
Then my lord,
No, my lord,
That
otherwise,
is the problem. Na? Therefore, after looking at the scan copies,
Yeah.
we may reject this prayer also.
Yes.
no,
Absolutely,
yes,
absolutely.
Isn't it? If I say that he'll be released on bail, he will appear, he will be released on bail, he will face the trial.
Only till next day. Till next day.
Till next day.
Next-
That is, I mean, till receipt of the such scan copies.
Yes, then it can be before November after. Subject to my.
He's in Vrindavan in Ashram. In what condition he is, I don't know. So a little longer date.
4th of December.
LCR may be called.
Scan copies of all.
Here, my lord, FIR is at page 11, my lord.
CD. Date. Even early date.
Yes, convenient. 20 of 11.
Too long can it be immediately.
Since it's not interim given early date. 9.
The 430 application. Child marriage, there is no FIR.
There is no FIR. What is this?
Child marriage.
Then where are you coming? All apprehending that during puja there may be operation.
Your Lordship, on since 10/23, your Lordship, the police apprehend.
What is your date of birth?
The date of birth, I have annexed is at page 12, your Lordship, 1/1/2005. She is 17 years at the time of her marriage, your Lordship.
Now what is her age?
Her age is, your Lordship, 10/7/22.
She's date of birth is 3596.
18 years plus now.
Now.
If it is 20,
Okay,
17 years.
this is an application apprehending arrest that as the petitioner married the petitioner married his wife
18 years.
when she was below 18 years of age and 18 years of age, and the police are searching for the petitioner. The fact remains that the petitioner is not aware of filing of any FIR.
Okay.
However, as the police is searching her, he apprehends
There
that
are
he
two
may be.
petitioner, your
Huh?
There are two petitioner, your Lordship, the husband
Two
and the
petitioners.
father.
Petitioners to apprehend the petitioner number.
One is the husband and
Hus-
two is the father.
Husband. Petitioner number 1 married husband to the petitioner number 2 is the
Father.
father-in-law of the petitioner number 1. Considering the apprehension and considering the fact that the victim has already attained majority and she is having a child
Right. She's
from,
pregnant.
which fathered by the petitioner number 1. It is provided that the petitioner shall appear before which police station?
Your Lordship, Karwa Banda Police Outpost and South Salmara Police Station.
We will appear before the officer in charge South Salmara police station as allegation is made that the said police station personnel are searching her, and if any cases are registered in connection with the marriage in question, the petitioner as an interim measure, the petitioner shall be released on bail on furnishing of bail bond of rupees 20,000 full stop. And If no case is registered, same information be given to the present petition.
Yes.
It is also provided that is in the event any case is registered, the same be intimated to the office of the learned public prosecutor and case diary be produced on the next date. Please this method.
The
First of it.
If you apply.
Everybody is apprehending that during puja
Puja,
there will be an
some-
operation.
some operation.
Because I have seen two, three. That much. Okay, thank you.
From our side, my lord.
Happy.